Hello everyone. Today this is Vishwanath Pratap Singh and today I will tell you how to make a tab like this in the HTML web page. So let's start how to make this. Firstly I think I should clear all the things which are present here. Okay. So I'm clearing all the things also in CSS file. So firstly we have to write our HTML tag. Then we have to write our head tag inside which we have to write our title tag and inside which we can write whatever the we wanted to write, for example top head. Okay, then we have to add the CSS link. Okay, there is index.css. I have saved the file as index.css. Then we have to write our body tag, and inside which we will create one division tag with the name class, with the class header. Then we will take create one more class, div class, which whose name is we can say wait whose name is top. And then we inside which we will create some p tags. Firstly I will take here home. Then I will paste it again, and I will live start here live server. Okay, I have started live server here, and here you can see everything. And the all you can also see here the changes which I am making in the HTML file. Okay, so one is home, one is about, another is gallery, another is login. Okay, then last one is contact or contact us. Okay, then we will go to the CSS file. Then firstly we will set all margin to left, sorry, margin to 0, margin 0. If we will set margin 0, so you can see here that this thing becomes I mean all the things attached set it to the with margin 0. And then we will also make a padding 0. Okay, then here we will set it and here we will not take the header, top and p tag. Firstly we will arrange them horizontally. At this time they are vertical, in vertical direction, and so we have to set them to the horizontal direction. So we will what we will take, we will create here float left. If we will take float left, so you can see that here all the text came in the vertical or horizontal direction from vertical direction. Then here we can set its padding which is nearly 10 pixel for bottom and top, and 20 pixel for height for its that for its left and right side. Okay, then we can also set here background color we can say hot pink. Okay, and if we wanted to make some changes in background color, or if we want some spaces between them, so we can here use margin 0 pixel for the top And if we want left and right changes, so we can here write 20 pixel or whatever you wanted to do. So as you can see that here are some changes, and now you can also give its border radius, and we are using border hyphen radius. So whatever pixel you want you can give. If I, for example, if I am giving its 10 pixel, so you can see that yes, it is having this type of thing. And I am changing this its color from hot pink to something else, for example this, you can see now. And if I want its font size to be little bit more, so I can use here font hyphen size and with the 20 pixel. And if I want its font weight, I can also decide this 100 pixel or something more than that. It is not changing, okay, leave it. And if we want it to be in center or wherever we wanted to align it, so we will declare here top, sorry, header top as margin left. So it will create some spaces from the at the last from the left side of it. And margin left, if I will set margin left icon, margin left, so I will take nearly it as 400 pixel. So it is nearly at the center. Okay, so now we can also use here margin width. So I wanted to create this headers background color. What can I create? For example, black or red. We can also choose red, but it is not coming because its padding is 0. So if I will set its padding to 50 pixel, so you can see that yes, here is some padding. And if I wanted to set its and if I will set margins of the top, margin of margin bottom of the top to nearly 50 pixel, so it will give us look like this. Okay, and if we wanted to change the color, so we can change it. Wait, whatever color we wanted to give, for example this color or this color, whatever you like, you can give it to it. Okay, and I should set it to the sky blue, I think. Okay, maybe this combination is not good, but it is enough. And because it is just a simple one, so if I want here that when I will move the cursor on it, so it should show some different color. So I can also make that thing. Okay, so if you want it like that, you have to take header top, means you have to hover it. And making hover, you can use like this, and you can set its background color to something else. For example, I will set it to this color. So if I am making here anything, so it is creating it is changing its background color. And if I want to change my mouse cursor, so I also change mouse cursor as pointer, so if I am just hovering on it, so it is changing its cursor also. Okay, and if I wanted to add some other link, so I can also add a link by using here an anchor tag. Okay, so you can also choose it. And if we want its shadow, it means the shadow of the p tag, so here we can add box shadow. box shadow nearly 5 pixel, so it is 55 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel for blur. This is 5 pixel for height, this is 5 pixel for width, and this is 5 pixel for blurring. And you can choose anything. And the next one is for the color, whatever the color you want. For example, I want white, so it is giving me white color. And if I want the same color which it is having here, so I just can copy this color. Okay, so as you can see that yes, only this color is changing and background color is like that. So I can also change it to black one. Okay, you can see that its color is different here. I like this color. Okay, so you can do it like this. You can also add some anchor tags, as I have already said. Thank you very much for watching this video.